Vienna in the sunshine is a city that awakens the senses. The light dances on the Danube River, creating a shimmering spectacle of blue and silver. Cobblestone streets, polished by centuries of footsteps, lead you past grand Hofburg palaces. The air is filled with the sweet scent of freshly baked pastries, beckoning you into charming cafes. Vienna wears its history with grace, its imperial past blending seamlessly with modern life. As you stroll through the city, the melodies of street musicians fill the air. A waltz drifts from a nearby cafe, its romantic strains echoing Vienna's musical heritage. The laughter of children playing in parks reminds you of the city's focus on quality of life. Vienna embraces you with its warmth and beauty, inviting you to slow down and savor the moment. The Viennese possess a unique zest for life, a joie de vivre that's contagious. Whether you're sipping coffee in a grand cafe or browsing for antiques in a hidden courtyard, you'll be met with warm smiles and friendly conversation. This is a city that values human connection, where strangers quickly become friends. Vienna's magic lies not just in its sights but also in its soul, a blend of history, culture, and genuine warmth. Vienna consistently tops global rankings for livability, and for good reason. This distinction isn't just about beautiful architecture and efficient public transport, although Vienna has those in abundance. It's about a way of life that prioritizes well-being, culture, and a healthy work-life balance. The Viennese understand the art of living well. Safety and stability are paramount in Vienna. Low crime rates and a strong social safety net create a sense of security and peace of mind. This allows residents to relax and enjoy life's simple pleasures, whether it's a bike ride along the Danube Canal or an evening at the opera. Vienna's commitment to green spaces further enhances its appeal. Parks and gardens are woven into the fabric of the city, offering tranquil escapes from urban life. The Prater, Vienna's famous green lung, provides ample space for recreation and relaxation. These green oases are not just for show. They're an integral part of the Viennese lifestyle, a place to connect with nature and each other. Vienna's commitment to sustainability is evident everywhere. Vienna's streets are a journey through time, a testament to its rich history. Magnificent palaces, remnants of the Habsburg Empire, stand as proud reminders of Vienna's imperial past. The Hofburg Palace, once the winter residence of emperors, now houses museums and government offices. Its grandeur is awe-inspiring, a testament to Vienna's former glory. Schönbrunn Palace, the Habsburg summer residence, is equally impressive. Its sprawling gardens, adorned with fountains and statues, offer a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of Vienna's former rulers. These palaces are not just tourist attractions, they are living museums, seamlessly integrated into the city's fabric. Vienna's musical legacy is as rich as its imperial past. The city was once home to musical giants like Mozart, Beethoven, and Strauss. Their presence is still felt today in the opulent concert halls and opera houses that grace Vienna's streets. The Musikverein, with its famed Golden Hall, is a temple of music, hosting world-renowned orchestras and musicians. Vienna's musical heritage is a source of pride for the Viennese, a legacy they cherish and celebrate. No trip to Vienna is complete without experiencing its legendary coffeehouse culture. These Viennese institutions are more than just places to grab a caffeine fix. They are social hubs, places to linger over newspapers, debate politics, or simply watch the world go by. Stepping into a Viennese coffeehouse is like stepping back in time. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingles with the scent of apple strudel, creating an intoxicating sensory experience. Waiters in their traditional black jackets glide between marble-topped tables, serving coffee with an air of Viennese charm. The atmosphere is both elegant and relaxed, a testament to Vienna's unique blend of sophistication and Gemütlichkeit. Find a cozy corner, settle in with a good book, and savor the moment. This is what Viennese coffeehouse culture is all about: taking time for yourself, connecting with friends, and embracing the simple pleasures of life. Order a Melange, Vienna's signature coffee creation, and let the world drift by. The Viennese coffeehouse is a microcosm of the city itself, elegant, charming, and steeped in tradition. Section 5. Culinary delights from Würstelstände to Michelin stars. Vienna's culinary scene is as diverse as its history, offering everything from hearty street food to Michelin-starred fine dining. For a true taste of Vienna, head to a Würstelstand, a beloved Viennese institution. These sausage stands are an integral part of the city's culinary landscape, serving up grilled sausages, fries, and beer late into the night. Don't be fooled by their humble appearance. Würstelstände are serious business in Vienna. Each stand has its own loyal following, drawn by the quality of the sausages and the lively atmosphere. Order a Käsekraner, a cheese-filled sausage, and wash it down with a cold beer. It's the perfect way to experience Vienna's culinary soul. For a more refined dining experience, Vienna boasts a constellation of Michelin-starred restaurants. From traditional Viennese cuisine to innovative international fare, the city's culinary scene is a testament to its cosmopolitan spirit. Whether you're craving a Wiener Schnitzel or a multi-course tasting menu, Vienna has something to tantalize your taste buds. The Viennese take their food seriously, using fresh local ingredients and time-honored recipes. Section 6. Hidden Gems and Local Secrets. Unveiling Vienna's Soul. While Vienna's iconic landmarks draw millions of visitors each year, the city's true charm lies in its hidden gems and local secrets. Venture beyond the beaten path, and you'll discover a Vienna that tourists rarely see. Explore the charming back streets of the Spittelberg district, a labyrinth of cobblestone alleys lined with artisan shops and cozy cafes. Get lost in the Naschmarkt, Vienna's vibrant open-air market. Here, you'll find a sensory overload of colors, scents, and flavors, from exotic spices to fresh produce. Chat with the vendors, sample local delicacies, and soak up the lively atmosphere. This is where Vienna comes alive. For a taste of Vienna's artistic side, head to the Museumsquartier, a sprawling complex of museums, galleries, and cultural institutions. Browse contemporary art exhibitions, catch a performance at the Tanzquartier, or simply relax in one of the many courtyards. The Museumsquartier is a hub of creativity, a testament to Vienna's thriving art scene. Vienna's hidden gems offer a glimpse into the city's soul, a blend of tradition, creativity, and local pride. Viennese charm is legendary, a unique blend of elegance, tradition, and a touch of old-world formality. It's in the way the Viennese greet you with a polite Grüß Gott, and the way they dress with understated elegance. It's in the grand cafes with their marble tables and chandeliers where time seems to stand still. Viennese charm is about taking the time to savor life's simple pleasures, whether it's a leisurely stroll through a park, a coffee and pastry in a grand cafe, or an evening at the opera. It's about appreciating beauty in everyday life, from the grandeur of the city's architecture to the delicate details of a hand-painted porcelain cup. The Viennese take pride in their city and its traditions, and they're happy to share their love of Vienna with visitors. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with a local. You'll be met with warmth and hospitality. Viennese charm is contagious, and it's one of the things that makes Vienna such a special place to visit. Imagine a day in the life of a Viennese local. It might start with a leisurely breakfast at a neighborhood bakery, savoring freshly baked pastries and strong coffee. Then, a stroll through a nearby park, breathing in the fresh air and enjoying the sunshine. Vienna is a city that encourages you to slow down and appreciate the simple things. The work-life balance in Vienna is enviable. People work to live, not the other way around. After work, it's time for socializing. Whether it's meeting friends for a drink in a cozy Beisel, a traditional Viennese pub, or attending a concert or theater performance. Vienna's cultural calendar is always full, offering something for everyone. Evenings in Vienna are magical. The city lights up, casting a warm glow on the grand buildings and monuments. The atmosphere is both elegant and relaxed, perfect for a romantic stroll along the Danube Canal or a night of revelry in one of Vienna's many bars and clubs. Vienna comes alive after dark, offering a different perspective on its unique charm. As the sun sets over Vienna, the city transforms into a magical wonderland. The grand buildings and monuments are bathed in golden light, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The streets come alive with locals and visitors alike, eager to experience Vienna's vibrant nightlife. From cozy wine taverns to elegant cocktail bars, Vienna offers a diverse range of options for an unforgettable evening. For a truly Viennese experience, head to a Heuriger, a traditional wine tavern located on the outskirts of the city. Here, you can sample locally produced wines and enjoy hearty Viennese cuisine in a rustic setting. The atmosphere is lively and convivial, with live music and dancing adding to the festive ambiance. If you're in the mood for something more upscale, Vienna boasts a plethora of elegant cocktail bars and nightclubs. Sip on expertly crafted cocktails while enjoying panoramic views of the city or dance the night away to the latest beats. Whether you're looking for a romantic evening or a night of revelry, Vienna has something to offer everyone. As your journey through Vienna draws to a close, you'll carry with you a treasure trove of memories. The grandeur of the Hofburg Palaces, the charm of the Viennese coffeehouses, the vibrant energy of the Naschmarkt, and the warmth of the Viennese people will linger in your mind long after you've left. Vienna has a way of staying with you, its unique charm weaving its way into your heart. You'll find yourself longing for the aroma of freshly baked pastries, the sound of waltzes echoing through the streets, and the taste of Sachertorte, Vienna's legendary chocolate cake. Vienna is not just a city you visit, it's an experience you savor, a feeling you carry with you long after you've said goodbye. And so, as you bid farewell to this enchanting city, you'll know that you'll be back. Vienna's encore is inevitable, a testament to its enduring allure. Until then, you'll cherish the memories and dream of the day you return to the city that stole your heart. Vienna, with its timeless beauty, its rich history, and its vibrant culture, will forever hold a special place in your travel memories.